Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Genesis Sedan key fob. This rectangular key fob was used between 2009 and 2014 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing your battery is very simple and you can do it at home. You just need to get yourself one of these batteries. The easiest way is to buy it online. They're just a couple bucks. If you'd like, in the description I've left a link to buy it on Amazon so you can follow along. Once you have your battery, just press on this button on the bottom of the key fob excuse me, to remove your internal key. Now we can see the hole that the key came from and a little slot beneath it. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, similar object, place it in there and twist. Just with a twisting motion, the two halves of the key fob will come apart. If they're not fully apart, just stick the screwdriver in the opening and just twist down the side until you have it like this. Okay, set the side with the circuit board away for a second, and now the battery is housed in here and I can't remove it with my fingers. If you'd like to safely remove it, you can use one of these precision screwdrivers. You can get a set of these online for just a couple bucks. I'll leave a link in the description for Amazon. Or you could use a toothpick, other similar tool, but the goal is just to safely remove the battery here. So what we do is we come in on the right side, put our little mini flathead all the way down to the bottom and pry. With a prying, rocking motion, the battery will pop right out. Take a new CR2032, make sure this positive side with the battery information, all of this text goes, that positive side goes down. And just start to put it into place, pushing it down into this metal component before clicking the top into place. Just putting it down and clicking. And make sure it sits flush in there. And that's pretty much it. We just return two halves back together, clicking it into place. You can see the light comes on, meaning your key fob is good to go. If this video helped you out, go ahead and feel free to leave a like. And if you'd like more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire Hyundai Genesis Sedan guide. Thank you so much for watching.